I just finished setting up this little mirror, and honestly it took me like 2 minutes, not even. So simple out of the box. You just had to attach the one screw right here so that your mirror can sit on this, and then this part here is adjustable so you can bring this up or down with the height. And you have two-sided mirror, so you've got the like normal mirror here, and then this one on this side is that really intense close-up that nobody likes to look at. But the fact that you have both is really great, and I do like that you can flip this around and just kind of use it like that. And of course you can turn it this way too, whichever works best. And then you have your power on, so this is rechargeable. So you have your 3 different lights here. So you've got, you know, your warm, you've got your cool, you've got your bi-color, and then you can also, oh, hold on here, you can put it, you can dim it as well. So you can play around with the brightness, and to turn it off, that actually took me a couple seconds. You just have to do a quick little double tap right there. But I love that it's rechargeable. It of course comes with the cable for you to charge that. I did see, where was the, oh, it's right here. Yes. So this is where you are going to charge that. So it makes it nice and simple. You could have it plugged in all the time if you want to, but of course, you know, you want this to be portable if need be. On the bottom here, you've got this really nice like velvety here. So it's not going to be slipping and sliding, and it's not going to scratch any surfaces like if you have this on a vanity. The other thing I really like that I thought was kind of cool, and I didn't realize, so the base right here kind of flips up. So like, let's say you're doing your makeup or you're doing something, your phone, I just saw some pictures, and your phone can kind of sit in here like this. I thought that was cute. You could also use this if you wanted to put some jewelry, or if you want to put like, you know, some of your makeup while you're using it. It also comes with a really nice pair of tweezers. These are actually metal. They're not the plastic ones. So these are actually heavy duty and are going to work well. So if you're looking for a really great mirror, this one is 9 inches, really portable, works well. The fact that it comes with a light as well, I think is really great.